Let me get into the. We're back. Our time is done for this one. So when we do the, did your trial balance?
No.
No. Okay. So let me show you. If when you add up, it's just an add up. Yeah, not much. It's addition. So when we add up these three, this is a bank account. Basically, this side gonna be bigger. This side bigger on your calculator. 1, 2, 3. If you add up and take a 1, 2, 3 these items, you'll be left with 1661.88. That's balance CD. CD becomes balance B. Did you get this figure? 1661.88?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me on the trial balance, which side it goes in, debit side or credit side? It's a liability. It's an OD, overdraft. It goes on the credit side. Yeah, well done. Credit side. Here you go. Credit side. Yeah, write it down. And then when you do VAT control account, in only couple of items, 2 items here, 1 item there, these are minus that left over. This is also a credit balance. Yeah, this is also a credit balance. 3654.90 goes on the credit side. There you go. Look at this. Goes on the credit side, right? VAT control.
Put it on the debit.
You know, it should be on the credit side, yeah, because it's a liability. How about discount allowed? 366.83 is a balance CD, and look at this balance BD on the balance BD on the debit side. So it should be debit. There we go. And the final one is payables ledger control account. It's always credit, and this time it's also credit because the credit items are bigger. Take away debit 7258.75 should go on the credit side, and if we add up, it should add to 78,610. 78,610. And that's it. Yeah. You should gain full marks here. Easy peasy one. Last one of our bookkeeping controls, principles of bookkeeping errors, and the trial balance. Going into the question number 8, redrafting the trial balance. Another easy peasy question. Very easy. Nice and straightforward. A bit of correction should be here. Like sales is a credit account. Yeah. Purchase debit. Discount received credit, bank generally debit unless it's a bank overdrawn, plant and equipment debit, and receivables ledger debit because it's a current asset. Here is a correction here. Like purchases. Look at what did they say? Oh, maybe last question we saw, but whatever it is. Look at the purchases. This much recorded on credit side of payables, but nothing in the purchase account. Look at this, Holly. Some errors have been identified and following journals required to be processed, means you need to do those and correct it. So purchase is basically a debit account, but you have recorded on the credit both, like we never debited the purchase. So we need to debit purchase twice. Yeah, because we have credited purchase before. Credited payables and purchase, which is wrong. So this should be debited twice. So in the question, they gave you a bit of it's a journal answer, but how does it affect our trial balance? You need to add these with the purchase. 4972.68. You need to add these with this purchase. Makes sense? Yeah, that's it. And also there's a discount received not recorded in the discount account. So you need to record now. Discount is a credit account and suspense debit. Now, discount credit means you're adding with the discount. You're adding with that because you forgot discount received not recorded. So now you need to, how do you record it? You go to the discount received account here and write it down 29.24. You need to add it up. And this added up figures makes it correct. Only 2 corrections, nothing else. So what do you do here? How do you do the answer? Cells as it is. Let me make it smaller and let me show you how do you do. That's too much smaller. A little bigger, yeah. Cell, I'm erasing these things. Cells as it is. Purchases, is it as it is? No. Purchases, you need to, let me see. I think, oh, Natalia is waiting for our, please join. Let me, please join. Yeah, purchases should be 45,343 plus 492. Like this figure should be added up. Yeah, can you please add up? So can you please add up 45,343.33 plus this figure 4972.68 and give me a figure, please. How much you got? 503. Oh, can't see your screen. Tell me, I'll write it down. Hi, Natalia, do you hear us?
50316.
Yeah, we have been missing you the last time. Sorry, how much it is, Holly?
50316.
Yeah, hold on. .50316.
.01.
31601. Okay, great. And the rest is as it is. You see, discount receipt should be added up as well. How much that should be? Holly, can you, Natalia, can you do it as well? 964.34 plus 29.24. How much it is? You need to write that figure on the credit side and bank on the debit side. The other item and the other item, and boom, boom. You need to add up. Both should add up.
99358.
9993.58. Yep, and rest is copy paste. Can you please do that copy paste? Rest is just copy paste. Makes sense? Like from top, you bring it down. No creativity. And then try to add up both sides. Let me know the figure.
How do you know what side the bank goes on?
Bank is as it is. It should be 12353.56. No changes because this is the new question, you see.
So how do you know if that's a debit or a credit?
Oh, because they never told us it's credit unless they tell us. Like they could have told us bank's OD. Yeah, if they tell us bank OD, then this is credit. So this is not credit at all because that's bank balance.
Okay.
That should be on the debit side. Natalia, are you all right? You want to say anything? You need to unmute if you say anything anytime. Good. Did you get the total? How much it is? Please get that. Let me know. Let me keep writing as well. 71466.02. And I've written this too. The other one is bank 12353.56. Rest all debit. Yeah, it's a little reason, right?
Yeah, done it.
How much it is?
72,459.60.
459.60, is it? 70. Both side, yeah? 459.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Receivables is 3,433.56. Brilliant. Let's check the answer. Number 8. Oh, yes, that is the right answer. Boom. Well done, guys. We can clap ourselves. That was a question meant to be finished within 1.5 hours. And we finished it within, although we have taken approximately 2 hours, but there was a break. There was a lot of discussion, wasn't it? See, it is not that very difficult. Yes, when I started, I said it is a 3-part. You need to master the 3 parts. I think I have erased those. Oh, no, here it is. Highlighting for you. Part 1 is control account. Part 2 is bank reconciliation. Maybe another color pen is better. Yeah, part 2 is bank reconciliation. And part 3 is journal, which is basically suspense account. So only 3 parts. You master the 3 parts, boom, done. And of course, you're going to get so many free help on my accountinglecture.co.uk. There are some free courses. Also, especially I showed you this playlist, AAT Level 2 video tutorials or video lectures, like double entry T accounts you need, because level 2 is the foundation. Your foundation should be stronger. You should be good in doing double entry. You should be good at your debit credits, the trial balance. Then even then little deep comes up, which is suspense account is a deeper one. Control account, although easy, but I would say interesting, deeper one. Bank reconciliation. Here you go on the screen. Bank reconciliation, and that's it. You just need to watch 5-6 videos, not many, and boom, you must pass it. I'm telling you. Again, if you these videos would be available on our social media platform, so you can rewatch this one. And I have shared my WhatsApp number with you guys, which is 079831711108. My email is ILIAS. This is personal one, RUBEL @yahoo.com. 1,000 years old email. Yahoo.com. Not 1,000 years old, maybe 20 years old when Yahoo came out. So you can directly reach me here, and plenty of help from my YouTube and accounting lecture, also londoneducators.org, some paid and free, no matter. Any help regarding AAT or other accounting, you can get. And best of luck. Only you need to get 70%, which is, I said, 56 marks in this particular question, right? And definitely doable. All my students, they end up with 90%. And I want you to end up with 90%. Yep. And this is your foundation. Do good here and better in level 3. Do you know that?
Sorry, could you just go through task 6B for me?
Yeah, of course. Why not? Hold on. Task 6, journal. Yep.
That's the questions I struggle with.
Oh, disclosed and not disclosed by the trial balance, is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
For that reason, you need to watch the video on COPCAR. COPCAR.
Okay.
Let me tell you a little. COPCAR errors. Where is that? Come on, COPCAR. Are you not there? Yeah, here you go. COPCAR not shown by trial balance. These are the errors will not be detected through trial. Like error of omission, you will never find out in a trial balance. Yeah, no suspense for that. So that is 6B. Like where is our 6B? Errors revealed by trial balance, errors not revealed by trial balance, we call it. So COPCAR errors not revealed by this B, not revealed. Again, I have written already COPCAR, like omission, commission, reversal. If it happens, your trial balance will still balance. There'll be no suspense account, but you need to correct it through journal. Yeah, like omission, £50 omission purchase. So you put the entry purchase debit, payables credit, no suspense. Yeah. But how about disclosed by the trial balance? Those are basically single entry errors. Written it twice, overstated, understated, like sales understated by £10. You need to credit sales and debit suspense. And similar like that. So the more you do, the better you understand. Makes sense?
Yes.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. No problem. Thanks for your enthusiasm. Go over these free resources. Not everything in life is free, but we are here to help you. I'm very much glad that, look, Natalia came. I was traveling. Yeah, it's almost 2 years back. A mother from Ukraine came with her little young son, carrying the son with her. Mashallah, many of you are already mom and working women, but I'm starting as well. So I really appreciate that. Learning a skill is what can be more beautiful than learning a new skill. You see, whether it's a cooking or accounting, anything. So my best wishes for you regarding the last tips for revision of AAT especially. You must finish the book. You must finish whatever book you're following, textbook. Yeah. All the questions, all the topics. Number 1, textbook. Number 2, I'm about to sneeze, just excuse me. It's gone. Okay. Okay, so textbook must finish it. Exam kit or workbook or question bank, whatever you call it, question bank. question bank. One is exam textbook, A to Z, everything. Question bank. And minimum 3 mock. Minimum 3 mock exam. 1 we finished today. 3 mock, including and 2, at least 2 from AAT. 2 from AAT. You know, on your My AAT, you got your free mock, yeah? Green light test. Green light test. And to give you extra help, of course, YouTube videos, not just accounting lecture. Accounting lecture is my channel, but also from many other resources, whosoever you like, yeah? Follow them. Watch the videos, help yourself. Maybe you're traveling through bus or train, watch it. During my ACCA days, last paper especially, I used to watch the videos from my teachers, richardaccountancy.com, then Steve Lumby, I'm telling you, these were my teachers, and I used to follow them. I think that's all for today. Any question?
Thank you so much for your time and for your
You're welcome.
for your lessons. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your help.
Welcome. See you then. Bye-bye today. And maybe, are you going to join the next week's bookkeeping transaction? On Saturday, we're going to have bookkeeping transaction. Or any request you can make. Because on bookkeeping transaction, you can learn more double entry, day books, more financial accounting is there. Maybe we're going to do one more session. And maybe every Saturday, I'll try to continue doing other requests. If you have other requests of doing videos. Hope today was helpful. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.